Dear students, today we will look into Cambridge Assessment International Education Science Stage 7 Paper 1 2022 paper. Question 2. Okay, look at question 2. Look at the particle model for element X, Y and Z. So element X, element Y, element Z. Question A. Write down two characteristics of an element. Question B. Element X reacts with element Z. Look at the particle model of the substance made. Circle the type of substance made, whether it is a compound or a mixture, and we need to explain the answer. C. Draw a particle model for a mixture of element X and Y. Okay, before we move into this question, we have to know the meaning of element, compound, and mixture. Elements are a pure substance made up of only one type of atom. So each element is represented by unique chemical symbol like H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, Fe for iron, and S stands for sulfur. They cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. Now we will look into compound. Compound are substances composed of two or more different elements that are chemically bonded in fixed proportion. Example, water or iron sulfide. So we have hydrogen and oxygen for water, iron and sulfur for iron sulfide. Compounds can be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reaction. Mixture. Okay, what is a mixture? Mixture are a combinations of two or more substances where each substance retains its own property. So components in a mixture are physically mixed, not chemically bonded. So example like air is a mixture of gases. Mixture of iron and sulfur, we can separate it by using magnet. Salt water contains salt and water which can be separated into their individual components through physical method by filtration, distillation, and we can use chromatography to separate mixture of substances. Okay, now we will move into this question. Question A. Write down two characteristics of an element. So element here is a substance which is only made up of one type of atom. Second, a substance which is only made up of one type of atom which cannot be broken down into anything simpler. Now we will look into question B. Circle the type of substance made. Explain your answer. Okay, this is particle model for a compound. So we need to circle compound. Okay, why it is a compound? Because it contains two elements that are chemically combined. So in this particle model, we have element X and element Z. So two elements here chemically combined or bonded together. Now question C. Draw a particle model for a mixture of element X and Y. So when we look into this question, element X is shaded and element Y is not shaded. So we have to draw the mixture of element X and Y. So element X here and element Y. So we can draw like this. Now we will look into experiment related to element, compound and mixture.